Good morning, dear students. Come to our class. Come to our subject income tax and our topic income from business and profession. As a part of that, now we are in fourth problem. Here it is asked. It is here also here given profit and loss account of Sri Samprashant Chatterjee for the year ending. Okay. Now profit and loss account is given. Asked to find out income from business. Okay. Now here I'm taking this one problem. Salaries first debit side. All expenses in debit side na. In profit and loss account as expenditure. To first salaries 70,000, rent 21,000, entertainment expenses 13,000, trade expenses 16,500, GST 35,000, telephone charges 18,000, gifts to customers 28,000, stock destroyed by fire 5,000, betterment charges for landed property 10,000, breakfast expenses to employees 1,500, advertisement expenses 80,000, compensation paid to employees 11,500, cost of maintaining pet animals 24,000, traveling expense 15,000, depreciation on assets 19,500. Okay, now come to credit side. Gross profits went so, commissions went so, sale of scrap 8,000, refund received GST 3,800, penalty waived excise duty 12,500, surplus on sale of shares 60,000, winning from lotteries 50,000. Okay, now here additional information, that is adjustments. First we have to see. After that, additional information is what is provided here. Salaries includes 6,000 of the last year. So last year's salary should be omitted and not taken into consideration for the previous year deduction. Okay, now 15,000 salary outstanding at the end of the year, not yet recorded. 15,000 salary outstanding at the end of the year. So this should be also taken into account. Depreciation allowed as per the income tax, so and so. Advertisement expenses includes 30,000 capital expenditure. 1/4 of this is permitted to be allowed as deduction. Okay. Next one. 10,000 paid to souvenir of a political party during the elections. It is not allowed as deduction 10,000 rupees. Okay. During the year, a machinery costing 25,000 is purchased and the payment is made in cash. Okay. Now, salaries includes a payment of 6,000 rupees to an expert for taking his advice for the business. It is also business expenditure. Entertainment expenses includes 1,000 for puja expenses. During the previous year, 30,000 subsidy is received from the government for the export order and same is not recorded in the books. Now refund of deposit from OYT scheme 40,000. OYT అంటే own your telephone అనుకుంటా. Own your telephone. Next, goods costing 5,000 sold to a customer on a cost basis. Normal selling price is 6,000. Now goods costing 20,000 taken for personal use is created in sales account as 25,000. Next, on 2nd April 2018, a dog is purchased for 7,500 for security of the business premises and a cat for 1,000 to prevent the loss of stock from damages by rats, and unfortunately both animals died in an accident. Compute income from business for assessment years. Okay, na? This is the information is given regarding problem. Now I already told you that working notes is much important. In income tax, any topic, any chapter. Okay. Hmm. Working important occupies much space than the actual problem. Okay. Now, so next one here, for each and every item, the explanation notes. Huh. What is that? First one, one by one. What is what? First, salaries. Here, salaries amount is given in debit side. So, what is the explanation? When the assessee is maintaining the books by mercantile method, outstanding expenses of the current year will be allowed as deduction only. That is 15,000 and last year's outstanding expenses paid in current year will not be allowed as deduction. Yes, 6,000 is added back. Okay, as a inadmissible expenses. Okay, next, entertainment expenditure, gifts to customers and traveling expenses. Actual amount spent will be allowed as deduction in all these cases. Okay, next, betterment charges for landed property. It is a capital expenditure, hence it is not allowed as deduction. Betterment of the land, so it is a capital expenditure. Okay, next one. So it should be added back. Breakfast to the employees, it is allowed as deduction. Advertisement expenses. So it is a revenue expenditure. Hence it is allowed as deduction. Advertisement expenditure. Okay. So advertisement to souvenir of political party, it is not allowed as deduction. Okay. Now, cash payment of more than 10,000. If it is revenue expenditure, 100% of the such payment is not allowed as deduction. Hence, here the payment is for purchase of an asset, so capital expenditure. So the question of disallowed does not arise. Okay. Now, payment to an expert. So the expenditure is meant for the business purpose. Hence, it is allowed as reduction for business advice now. So it is a revenue expenditure. Next, puja expenses. It is a customary practice of the businessman to perform puja in business premises. Hence, it is allowed as deduction. Okay. Next one. Surplus on sale of shares. It is a capital gain. It is a capital gain. Next, winning from lotteries. Even enough, it is a regular business activity, but it is always treated as income from other sources, not business income. Okay. Now, subsidy received. So, subsidy received for exports is a revenue income. Subsidy received for exports is a revenue income. So, as it is not recorded in the books, so not created in the profit and loss account now, so it is to be added as a not recorded income. Okay, next time. The refund of deposit under OVT scheme. It will be treated as revenue income. Next, goods sold to customer on cost basis. Assessee is having absolute freedom to sell the goods as he desires. That is, he can sell the goods on cost to cost basis or with the profit or with loss. Hence, the profit on these goods, that is 1000, is realized profit. Hence, it cannot be taken as a business income. So, hence the profit on sale of these goods 1000 is unrealized. So, not a realized profit. Unrealized profit. Hence, it cannot be taken as a business income. Okay. Now, goods taken for personal use. Now, when the goods are taken for personal use by the proprietor, then the cost of goods is to be deducted from the purchases, or it is recorded in sales account with the cost price only. But assessee created the sales account 25,000 instead of 20,000. So the profit 5,000 is the book profit or notional profit. Okay. Now stock destroyed by fire. This is a trading loss. Hence it is allowed as deduction. Okay. Next, animals used in the business. If animals are used in the business, the purchase price paid for them is treated as an asset. So cost of maintenance is allowed as deduction, but no depreciation is allowed. So if animals die, then the cost price is allowed as deduction. Okay, next one. This is the explanation notes for these each and every point. Now we'll go to the problem. Okay, now see the problem. Here, combination of Mr. Prashant Chatterjee incomes from business for the husband here. This one. Okay. Now, first, what is the step to be followed? First one, net profit as per the profit and loss account. That is 1,42,800 in outer column. Whatever is given in the profit and loss account, that should be taken the this profit and loss account statement as a first item. Step number one. Next step number two is add expenses debited in the profit and loss account but not allowed as deduction. What is the first step? Expenses debited in the profit and loss account, but not allowed as deduction. What we call it? Just it is inadmissible expenses. Short cut word. Inadmissible. So not admissible. Inadmissible expenses. The expenses which are debited in the profit and loss account but not allowed as deduction. It is called this. Okay. These both are the same. Just inadmissible expenses. This complete sentence will be called. Now, what are they? First, number one. Last year's salary paid during the current year. It is not allowed. The last year, no. So it should be added back to the profit because with this your profit will decrease. No, so we have to add this. Next one. Betterment charges paid for the landed property. Okay, betterment charges it is a capital expenditure. So it is mentioned no, so it should be excluded no, so it is a inadmissible expenditure. Advertisement expenditure capital. That is only 22,500 the capital. So it should be added back. Now, advertisement to sovereign political party, it is also not allowed as deduction. It is also inadmissible expenditure. Next, depreciation on assets debited in the profit and loss account, total, whole amount. First, whole amount, okay. Now, take the total of these items and take the outer column of this total, that is 69,000, and total it, add both. Now you will get 2,11,800. Now, third step, incomes to be shown under other heads. That means it is also called as incomes to be shown under other heads. It is some amounts are included in the straight side of the profit and loss account. Okay, unnecessarily. So we should deduct it. What are they? Now, first one is surplus on sale of shares. Okay, it is a capital income. Next, penalty waived. Penalties, which are the penalties should not be allowed included in this profit and loss account. So, penalty waived. Next one, winning from lotteries also it comes under which head income from other sales. So, it should be also deducted. Okay, now take up the total of this category, and it is the total is 1,22,500. Take this item in outer column, and this amount total should be deducted from the above item. Now you will get 89,300 amount. Next one, fourth step. Next one, less deductions, expenses allowed as deduction but not debited in profit and loss account. The expenses allowed as deduction but not included in the profit and loss account. What are they? Outstanding salaries for the current year. It is a mercantile system, no? So, outstanding salaries for the current year is 15,000. Okay, it should be deducted. Next, depreciation as per the income tax, as usual. Book profit or notional profit on the grounds taken for personal use. Book profit, notional profit on the goods taken for. Okay, next, personal use 5,000. Okay, next one, loss on death of animals. The total cost of animals purchased, that is 8,500. These are deductions of expenses allowed as deduction but not included in the profit and loss account. These items. Okay, this is the fourth step. This should be deducted. This total should be deducted. So the total of these items is 61,300. This 61,300 should be deducted from the above amount. That is 61,300 deducted, and the 28,000 is the resultant figure. 28,000. Now add incomes that is not created in the profit and loss account. Okay, add incomes that is not created in the profit and loss account. Okay, now what are they? Subsidy received. Subsidy received, it is the business income but not recorded in the profit and loss account, so it should be added back. Next, refund of deposit from the OYT scheme. So it is a business income but not recorded, so it should be also added back. That is 40,000. The total of these amounts is 70,000 taken outer column, and total should be added. Now, if we add the total of this, we will get 98,000 is the income from the business. Okay, simply 4 steps are there. These 4 steps you should keep in mind when we are preparing the business income from business. Very, very easy. First step is what? Number 1, take as usual net profit. Next, second one is inadmissible expenses, means what? The expenses which are debited in the profit and loss account but not allowed as deduction. That should be what? Added back. Added back. What is the next step? Less incomes to be shown under other heads. So incomes recorded in the profit and loss account credit side, but it comes under other heads. That should be what? Deducted. Okay. So these 2 steps are recorded in the profit and loss account but not relates to this account. First should be added, second should be deducted. Next one, actual expenses to be allowed as deduction. So expenses allowed as deduction, which is not but not debited in the profit and loss account. So that should be what? Deducted. That should be deducted as usually. Now also next last one is incomes created in incomes to be incomes not created in the profit and loss account. This incomes not created in the profit and loss account, but we have to now add back these incomes. These are the four steps is most important for your problem. Okay, very very easy, Baba. Now, okay. Now this problem is over. If you have any doubt, you can call me. You can ask me. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now tomorrow I will discuss the next problem. Okay, students. Bye. Now we will meet in the next class. Bye.